Welcome to Silkytreat Easy Delicious Cooking. On the menu today, one recipe done in 10 minutes start to finish. Crunchy rice paper cheddar rolls. Ingredients: vintage sharp cheddar cheeses in block, rice paper gluten-free 10 cm size, neutral frying oil. Preparation: on a board cut thick slices of vintage sharp cheddar cheese. Immerge 2 rice paper sheets per 1 thick cheddar piece in water to make them soft. Roll the cheddar with the rice paper, making sure the sides are closed. Immerge in hot neutral frying oil for 4 minutes. Optional: sparkle with parsley. All ready to serve and eat. Enjoy these meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like and comment if you wish.